It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Let me try this one. Pretty good. I really like this one more. Peanut butter is really good. Mm. Very good. Man, I'm so fat. I gotta eat at least two more. These are good. Peanut butter is my favorite. Mm. Mm. One more, and that will be it. Oh, so sweet. Peanut butter. So peanut buttery. Man, today I ate some steak and potatoes with tortillas, and it was so good. Yeah, this is just, this is dessert. hmm It's already 7 o'clock, I think. 7 p.m. So yeah, this is dessert. I'm sorry, I wasn't supposed to eat no more. So, whatever you guys are doing, give this video a big thumbs up, a like, and subscribe. Click the notification bells so you won't miss any future uploads of me. But please subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000. Jeez. I only have 240 some subscribers. I wish I had 1,000. So please subscribe. Please do it for me. Or don't. It's okay. I'm trying to eat another one. Oh my god, they're so good. I'm trying to eat this one. I'm so fat. See, man? I'm trying to eat it. Okay, let me just stop recording. Okay. If you have anything else to say, leave a comment. I already told you to subscribe and like if you like it or not. Or if you don't want to subscribe, it's okay. So, I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Man, I've been recording for 6 minutes? No, let me just keep talking. I'm trying to make this video at least 9 minutes. What should I talk about for 3 more minutes? You hear the music in the background? Can you guess what song that is? This is my phone. Beautiful phone. Although it's broken from here. Look at this shit. Yeah. This is Coldplay. Coldplay. clocks. Man, that cookie's looking at me. That cookie, this cookie is looking at me. Look at that. No, I can't eat no more. I'm just fat. I'm too fat to be eating this. I used to get on a treadmill and get on a diet, but it's hard. It is so hard. I hate being fat, but it's hard to lose weight. I need to stop eating snacks, and I need to stop eating at nighttime when I wake up. At the middle of the night, I always wake up and eat, and then I go back to bed. That's why I'm all fat. But anyways, if you're watching this video and you've seen all of it so far, thank you so much. That means a lot to me. Let me just make some ASMR. What is that? That right there. It looks... sorry. It looks like a drawing. Okay. Gotta go now for real. Bye-bye. Peace and blessings. Bye-bye. Peace and blessings. Bye-bye.